Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing some cold weather testing of the DJI Air 3S and the RC2 controller. And this video, I'm also going to show you guys how to link up your DJI Mic 2 to your RC2 controller so that you can add commentary to your drone flights out here. It's balmy 5 degrees here in Homer, Alaska. Clear skies, just very cold, and we're going to go ahead and try to catch some of this sunset here and potentially do some battery testing on this. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to film this video, but we're going to make it up as we go, and it all makes sense in the end. Be sure to stay tuned to the end to find out about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway and how to enter that. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so what you want to do is get your drone all booted up, controller all booted up. Then you take your DJI Mic 2 receiver. I believe this also works with the Mic Mini. And put the USB-C attachment on there and plug it right into your controller. Next thing we do is swipe down, and we're going to go to screen record. And you can see there it started recording the screen. And it should be recording this audio also and putting that on that track. It's not going to record what you're filming with the drone, but in the course of this video, I'm going to talk about how you actually get that into your drone videos though, okay? Let's go ahead and get this thing in the air and see what we can do. I go over here over these vacant lots, post up. Note that our battery percentage is 92 right now. I believe right about there is where the sun's going to come up. So I'm going to get centered up here, and I think I'm going to try to do hyperlapse. I reckon when you're standing still, technically it'd be a time lapse, but hyperlapse is the setting that we're going to use. All right, so it looks like we got hyperlapse set up. It's doing its thing. So if you notice, we start this hyperlapse at 80% battery life left, and we finish it at 60. That's pretty good. I don't really see much problem with that. If you do the math, that's still a 40-minute flight time for a whole battery. And the controller didn't show any signs of being affected by the cold, so I feel pretty good about flying it in this weather. This right here is the finished footage from that hyperlapse. I'll go ahead and repeat it a few times since it's only 10 seconds. And basically what I'm doing to get this in the videos is a lot of this was the screen recording. But if you narrate while you're recording flying your drone, you can also just overlay that audio onto your finished film, and it'd be just like you were talking the whole time you were flying, which, I mean, you were, but you just have to transfer the audio in your video editor. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and what I'm going to be doing is giving away a Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro strobe light. That's the one you see on my Air 3S. Top of the line strobe light. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick someone that commented on one of these videos during the giveaway, and I'll get your info and send you one out. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Really helps the channel.